Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to create chocolate ganache. Starting with my dark chocolate, I've added some dark chocolate into a microwave safe bowl. This is about 200 grams of dark chocolate, adding in half the weight in cream, so that's 100 grams there. Stir it to coat the chocolate completely and then zap in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then kind of fold in the cream into the chocolate. You want to work slowly or you'll end up incorporating too much air into your ganache and you'll have bubbles. If you do stir for too long though, you'll separate your ganache and it'll become all lumpy. So there's a bit of a balance to that. Here I have my white chocolate and that is a third of the weight in cream. So for example, if you had 90 grams of white chocolate, you would only add 30 grams of cream. Again, zap in the microwave for 30 seconds and fold through slowly. Give a bit of a stir until it's coming off the spoon in ribbons and there's no lumps. And the recipe that I use for the milk chocolate is exactly the same as a white, so 1/3 of the weight in cream. Again, that's 90 grams of milk chocolate and 30 grams of cream. Melt in the microwave, 30-second bursts. And then once they're all nicely combined, cover with Glad wrap and allow it to rest overnight. Here, mine's rested in the fridge, so it's pretty firm, as you can see there. I zapped it in the microwave for 10 seconds to soften it out and gave it a bit of a stir again. And this is perfect consistency for filling and for frosting the outside of your cake. What I like to do is add some buttercream into my ganache. Here I've added about 1.5 tablespoons and I'm just gently mixing that through. Thing is, with buttercream you can easily split your ganache, so you want to work slowly and not overmix. The reason I do this is because it creates a much nicer texture. It's nice and creamy and light while still having that rich dark chocolate taste. I'm piping that onto a cupcake. As you can see here, it's really nice and light and creamy. This is the white chocolate ganache after it's had time to rest and set up. You could add buttercream into that as well. I just left it as a white chocolate ganache, and this is what it looks like once it's piped. So it's nice and firm. Also great for filling and the outside frosting of your cake. The milk chocolate ganache somehow always tends to be a little softer than the other two, so that would come down to your ratio with cream. And this is perfect for filling. I personally wouldn't use it on the outside of a cake because I don't find that it's stable enough. How I like to make my chocolate ganache in the 3 different chocolate flavors. This isn't the only recipe out there. There are different ratios as well from chocolate to cream, but this is what I personally prefer. Again, I like to add buttercream into the ganache as well, just to make it nicer in taste, not as rich, nice and fluffy and light. It's just, again, another personal preference, great for filling. And that's the video for this Tuesday. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the recipe tutorial for this week. And I will catch you again on Tuesday for a cake decorating tutorial.